In front of me is REALME C55, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications on this device. First of all, go into Devices Settings. Now scroll down just a bit to access Notifications and Status Bar. Then scroll down again, click on Recent and tap on one of those filters. In my case, Frequency. Now you can finally tap on the switcher next to one of your apps from which you want to block notifications and unblock them the same way. You can also tap on one of your apps on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!